But I can't help. Finish one. Falling in love with you.
I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly. Wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you.
Talo talaga ako, pero sana panalo ako sa puso niya.
Looking back as lovers go walking.
Wait, Nola.
Hi. Say hi.
Wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found the...
Also, what I like about Joshua is that when you enter the set, alam mo may mag-aalaga sa'yo. Kasi maalaga kasi siyang katrabaho.
Telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling.
Ano ang favorite quality mo of Julia B?
Paborito ko kasi sa kanya lahat eh. Hindi. Na-admire ko siya talaga. As in kasi napakabuti niyang tao. Mali yung iniisip na iba dati na nakikita ko. Talaga kami. Pero importante kasi dun, care kami sa isa't isa at mahal namin yung isa't isa.
Time, maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you all of my life. I've been saving.
Nandun pa kami sa Getting to Know stage.
Siguro kinilig ako dun sa interview ni Joshua dun sa Tonight with Boy Abunda. Kasi iba yung kino-compliment ka na alam mong kino-compliment ka na kasi kailangan. Iba rin yung kino-compliment ka because nanggagaling sa puso yung compliment. Yung totoo at genuine yung pagka-compliment niya. So, siguro dun ako kinilig kasi naramdaman ko yung pagka-genuine niya.
Just be you all of my life. It's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you, it's you, maybe it's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you.
Skeptical lang. Gusto kita, mahal na mahal kita, pero sana mahintay natin ang isa't isa. Kaya mo yan?
Opo, may ano naman po sa ulit, mahintay natin yung isa't isa. Kaya ko rin.
Nasabi mo na sa kanya yan, hindi pa? Hindi pa?
Hindi pa.
Pero given the chance, you would tell her that?
Yes.